Hi guys, welcome to another review. I'm Ron and today I'll be unboxing the Xbox One X. I purchased this out of Flipkart in the summer sale. Right, it's not something very new in the market. It's been out for quite a while. But I just wanted you to see the box condition that I've received, how it's damaged here. So this is how Flipkart delivered me the Xbox One. There is some sort of uh, an impact, of course, on this box that is denoted by the condition of the carton there, and of course you can see there's a big hole right here in the carton. I just hope this has not spoiled, done any damage rather to the Xbox One X, but if it has, I will be returning it and asking for a replacement. Alright, so let's just get to it. I've taken the liberty to cut these tapes here. Let's see what do we have in the box. Okay, so keeping the big box aside for now, I have got these three documents. It says here Xbox.com, Xbox One getting started. Alright, what have they given me here? Some sort of a help documentation on connectivity. That's one. They give a Game Pass, Xbox Game Pass, and it's valid for 1 month. You get approximately over 100 games. Yeah, I already have the subscription, so I'll probably extend it for a month in my older Xbox One. And you get 14 days gold. Okay, let's keep this aside for now. Let's see. Let's take out the Xbox. Hope there is no damage in it. Okay, bring back. Pulling out the phone. Okay. This is the Xbox. Let me keep that aside for a minute. Let's see what else do we have in the box. I think the cables only should be there. Yeah. Let's see what we have here. Some sort of a documentation. You keep that aside in the box itself. This is an empty carton. I believe this is the power cable. Here's the remote. Okay, this is a lot different from my Xbox One remote, the One X. This has got matte finishing here. Got good grip to hold. The controls are the same. There's a place for the chat headset, micro USB connection, but it feels a lot better and more tactile than the Xbox One remote. I guess the batteries go in here. Okay, keeping that aside, they've given two cells. I believe these are Duracell. Yeah, and it's not for retail sale. It comes with the Xbox. Keep that aside. This is the HDMI cable. HDMI to HDMI. Male to male. Alright. I'm just going to put the batteries in so that I don't tend to lose them. Alright. That switches on. We're keeping the remote aside for now. And there's nothing else in the box, so remove the wires. Let's take a look at the Xbox itself, hoping it's not damaged. Alright. I'm just going to snip off the tapes and pull out. Right. No dent anywhere. Okay. Here's our Xbox One. So let's take a look at what we have here. The USB port, there's a connectivity tool. This is an IR sensor, I believe. Yep. Here is, I guess, where the disc goes in. At the back of the Xbox, we have the following ports. There is an Ethernet connection. There's an optical cable input, I believe, IR out, two USB ports, HDMI in, HDMI out, and a power socket. Now, for all those who don't know what this is, you can of course connect your dish connection to a Xbox One. So basically, you can watch TV while playing games. Your set-top box output comes into HDMI in, which says SAT cable here, and the output from Xbox goes to the television. So while playing a game, you can switch between the game and the TV, or you can do them both in parallel itself. That's a pretty cool feature. There is no port for Kinect here, so I've ordered an adapter which will take its input from the USB port, which will allow me to use my Xbox One Kinect with my Xbox One X. So all in all, this product doesn't seem damaged. I can hook it up to my television and I'll submit a review of the initial setup. So do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more reviews for the Xbox One X, as well as some cool games that I have already purchased. That's all for this review. Thanks for joining in. This is Ron. Bye bye.